Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you how I make my teriyaki chicken. You can either use chicken thighs or breast. I'm using thighs because I prefer chicken thigh. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to go in and just explain what I have here. So I have the chicken thighs, I have some granulated sugar, this is the sesame seed, I have some water, garlic powder, soy sauce, vinegar, and of course I cut some green onions to go with that. And yes, so let's just get right to it. So first I'm going to season my chicken, and there's not much seasoning that we're going to use. I'm just going in with some salt, and you don't want to add too much salt because the soy sauce in itself is very salty. And then I'm going to go in with some cornstarch, and I'm going to use a spoon to just mix this around. Alright, so now that I'm done with the chicken, I'm just going to set this to the side and I'm going to get started on my sauce. Alright, so for our sauce, we are going to go in with some soy sauce. This is like a key ingredient for teriyaki chicken. We're going to go in with a little bit of vinegar, like a teaspoon of vinegar. If you have fresh garlic, you can use it, but I don't, so I'm just going to add some garlic powder, just a tad bit. I'm also going to be adding some granulated sugar. You know, you want the chicken to have that sweetness, and of course I'm going to add a little bit of water, as well as my green onions. And then I'm just going to stir that around. And this will be the sauce that you'll use for the chicken. Okay guys, so we are now going to fry the chicken thighs, and I'm going in with a little bit of, I'm actually using the organic extra virgin oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use, but I'm using this, and we're just going to allow that to become hot. Okay you guys, so what we're doing now is to just flip the chicken over on the other side so that it can become brown like the other side. Okay you guys, so now that the chicken is ready, I'm just going to go in and pour the sauce. And we're just going to allow this to cook for like 5 minutes, and the cornstarch should help to thicken it. And I would totally recommend that you guys use a non-stick pot for this as well. So we're going to allow this to dry out, and then we'll get right back to it. So you guys, as you can see, our teriyaki chicken is actually finished, and I'm just going to go ahead and plate it so you can see what it looks like. So you guys, there you have it, teriyaki chicken made with some nice steamed veg and a side of rice. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.